Hey, Ken here with eXp Realty, and the topic of this video is flooring, primarily carpet. I get this question asked a lot, is should we replace all the carpet in the house? Should we replace the carpet in the bedrooms? Should we replace the carpet? And there's a lot of realtors out there that would say, yes, replace it. And I'm not necessarily in that camp. It's very situational. If we have an odor issue, like a pet odor, and I'm a pet owner myself, and I'll be honest, we all have a little bit of pet odor, and we don't notice it. We don't notice our own smell in our house. It's my job as a professional to let you know that I've noticed it, and we may have a odor issue, and we may need to address that by changing the carpet. Okay, usually just steam cleaning the carpet and taking care of that will do. And if we have carpet that's damaged or torn, absolutely we want to replace that. But let's say it's just getting into the last stages of its life, so to speak. It's, you know, it's been used, but it's still got some life left in it. I've had some really good success with, let's identify the elephant in the room. Let's talk about it. We go to a carpet store or a flooring store and get a quote to know what we're looking at in cost. And then we put a carpet sample board in the room, and a little note on it says, you pick your color, we'll install it. This way we can install the carpet for them that they like before closing. We don't run the risk of putting in a carpet they don't like. Maybe they want hardwood. We can give them an allowance and say, listen, we'll give you this allowance because we got our quote, and you pay the difference to hardwood, and we'll get it installed before closing. Makes buyers really happy. It's really an incentive for them to pick your house. Right? How can we help the buyers pick your house? There's a lot to that. So really what all my smart sellers do, and I have it in my book here, The Secret of Wealthy Sellers, is they talk with a professional well before they're ready to list or well before they're ready to spend any money on their house. Give me a call. I'll stop out. We'll do a quick walkthrough. Only takes a few minutes. And I can help you not put money where it's not going to make you the most money, and maybe put some money in where it will make you the most money. So contact a professional before you start swapping things out and replacing things. I hope this helps. This is Ken.varilek with eXp Realty. We're opening doors for you.